Alright, so in this lesson we are going to look at the gradient, how to calculate the gradient when you have been given 2 points, like the way we have been given. In this case we have got this point and that point. So please, before we can start, kindly subscribe to my channel for you to get more and more interesting videos of this nature. So let's quickly start solving the question. So it's coming from a past paper. It's saying find the gradient of a line which passes through the point this and that. So we have -5 and 3. So the other point we have is -4 and 1. So the first thing that we are supposed to do here, we are going to say x and y, x and y. So why are we doing that? We know to say a coordinate is simply a set of points. Okay, so a coordinate is a set of points written in the order x, y. So we know to say the first number here, it is always going to be x, followed by the second number, which is y. So basically gradient is, so when you talk about gradient, you say this is the change in what? In y over the change in x. So how do we mean? So we are saying if you have that your x or y plane, you say this is the y, or and that is the x. So if you have, then you have that as your line, we call it A and B. So for you to find the gradient is simply slope. You are going to say it is how far you go up there minus over how you go in the run direction. So without wasting much of our time here, we are going to say, okay, to solve this question, we are now going to say the formula for finding gradient is equal to, we say gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is just going to be, the gradient is going to be y2. So remember we said this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. So let this one to be 1 and also that one, then these 2 and 2. Okay, so we're going to say y2 is 1 minus y1, it is 3. Then you say over x2 is this one, -4. Then we say minus x1, it is just -5. So like that. So we're going to have our gradient as -1 minus 3, we're going to get -2. Then -4 minus -5, that is just 1. So our gradient is going to be -2. Okay, so thank you so much once again for watching my video. Kindly do subscribe to the channel so that you can get to have more and more videos. If you would like to see some questions from past papers getting solved, please you can comment in the comment section below, so that those questions can quickly be attended to. Okay, so ask as many questions as you feel in science and also mathematics, grade 12, grade 9, first year NS from various universities, and also any type of mathematics you guys can post or rather find out with me. Thank you so much once again.